6 tips for caring for vinyl or LPs at home. Through this video, we will find out 6 tips on caring for vinyl, while learning English a bit through my voice and reading the text. If you have or collect LPs, then taking care of them as well as possible is a must. Moreover, if the music album is already classified as rare in the market, for that, we must know what are the tips for caring for LPs. Foreign or domestic bands have started to re-release albums in that format. This is because the sound recorded in the LP format will be very clear when compared to other formats. For those of you who collect these valuables, you should know tips for caring for vinyl records. The treatment is not as difficult as we think. Here are tips for caring for vinyl records so that the sound quality can be maintained for years. 1. Don't store in humid places. Quoted from various sources, LPs are advised not to be stored in a humid place. This risks sticking to the fungus on the LPs. As a result, the media on the LPs will be damaged quickly. For that, you should store your collection in a cool, dry place, and away from exposure to sunlight. You can also put silica gel in your collection storage area. Two, don't hold it carelessly. Tips for caring for the next LP is from How to Hold. You are advised to only hold a small part of the physical area. Hold only the edges and the inside where the label is attached. This is to avoid the risk of sticking dirt or oil if you forget to wash your hands. 3. Save vertically. We must know that storing LPs should be in a vertical condition. Storing them horizontally and stacked on top of each other will make physical records quickly damaged. This will cause it to become concave or convex from being stacked too long. 4. Clean carefully. Well, if your LPs are already overgrown with fungus, then clean them carefully. You can clean it with a semi-wet microfiber cloth mixed with the cleaner. Gently rub the part that has the fungus in a clockwise direction. Then, store it in the open to dry quickly. This also applies if the LPs are dusty. However, simply wipe with a half-wet chamois and dry. Remember, when cleaning, don't expose it to direct sunlight. 5. Pay attention when playing it. Also pay attention when you want to listen to the LPs. It's a good idea to cover the turntable with the lid as well. This will keep any small dust off the record. 6. Cover the cover with plastic. Covering album covers with plastic can also make your collection last. This will at least make the album cover less prone to tearing. If it is torn, it can be a risk on the record. The importance of caring for the record periodically. The LPs are often just collected and stored away without being listened to. In fact, we should always check it or play it regularly. This is to find out whether the sound quality is still good or not. We must ensure that our vinyl collection is kept clean and free from dust or mildew. Terimakasih telah menonton. Subscribe channel ini dan tekan loncengnya. Sampai jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.